To receive the greenhouse. So what to do? First thing, please inspect if your box has any damages. As soon as your box arrive, make sure there's no damage. So if it is damages, you must sign this on a paperwork, on a bill of lading, where you can state it that you got a such and such damage. Because it will be hard to claim something if you damage it yourself later and say, well, my box was damaged. So you will need to inspect the package right away if it is damaged or not. Hello folks, this is video on how to assemble greenhouses. How to assemble ClimaPod greenhouses, any model, doesn't matter. You got Virtue, you got Passion, Hobby, Extension, not Extension. First thing, you open the big box, it says on it, main. If it has extension and main, it's fine. If it has just main, just open the main one. So open the main box. Next thing, you'll find these things wrapped each individually. 1, 2, 3. You'll find the gloves and the tools. Cool. I don't think anybody else offered this. So 4, right here. This is windows for 9x14. We might have some more. We're gonna use them in extension. So this is windows. You assemble them separate. Don't mix anything together. Don't think that you have to open each box and mix all the hardware together. No. You'll find a series of instructions. So read the first page right here. Start from here, all the way through here, then all the way through here. Then start right here, here. Then go next page. If something not clear, you can just dial me, I guess. I can explain you how to do this stuff. So this is another thing. So each item, V9, door. So this is assembled separate. You can give the exercise to your, I guess, kids or teenagers to try to assemble those things. Those things separate. This is a V9 vent. This is a V9 door. So this must be separate, assembled separate. You'll find also series of this large piece of aluminum. And if you notice it, they are wrapped together. So this is a base. It's aluminum base. So it has its own hardware. So don't mix this hardware with hardware that in these packages. Okay? If you mix them together, then you have a big problem. So don't mix this hardware with the doors or windows. Okay? So you assemble these two pieces first. Next thing, after you assemble this, you assemble the gable. You look through this series instruction, and it will say on it, it says V907 side roof, V907 rear, that's the rear gable. This is V907 front, that's the front gable. It's right here. So don't mix front gable hardwares. Each box, each plastic wrapped container has its own hardwares inside. If something does not wrap it, they are on the side right here. This is for the doors. There might be also extras over here. But anyway, so I'll keep you posted how I do this, but basically main thing I just explained to you how to do this. So this is just a start.